In this module, we're going to be making use of a canvas and sprites. A canvas by itself isn't very interesting. This is a blank space on the screen where you can draw things. It has a height and a width and a coordinate system. The coordinate system is upside down. So 0, 0 is in the upper left corner. X's get bigger as you go rightward across the screen. Y's get bigger as you go down across the screen. So there are no negative numbers in the canvas coordinate system. Sprites are the things on the screen that move around and make things happen and are what you really think of when you think of the game. Each sprite has an image associated with it, the thing what it looks like. It has a size, a position. It can have a speed for moving around on the canvas. And it has something called a sprite type. A sprite type is a thunkable concept. Thunkable uses sprite types to group sprites together. Every sprite has a sprite type, and you can have multiple sprites with the same sprite type. You can also have multiple sprite types. Sprite movement happens by giving them your sprite a speed. So you give your sprite a speed in the X direction and it's greater than 0, the sprite will move to the right. If you give a sprite a Y speed that's less than 0, it's going to move upward on the screen. If you combine those together, so you give it an X speed greater than 0 and a Y speed less than 0, it's going to go northeast, so 45-degree angle towards the upper right corner of the screen. Sprites can also have collisions. Sprites can collide with each other or with an edge, and we'll use this to do things like make the aliens change direction when they hit the edge of the screen, or make an alien blow up when the sprite representing the laser hits or collides with the sprite of an alien. So to try to put all of that together with some of our vocabulary from previous modules, we have sprites and canvases. Those are both classes. Both sprites and canvases have properties. A sprite has a property called a sprite type. A canvas has a property called a height. But the sprite type is not a class. It is a property of a class.